Now, YouTube, I've got something else in my hand as well, which is new to everybody as well. I wonder what you think it is. Do you think you know what it is? Well, for instance, if you thought you know what it is, I'm about to show you now. Dun dun! Another brand new smoke alarm, although with the CO2 combination in it with it too. Here's a very nice smoke alarm. I got it brought here just today, and it's brand new, and I love it. I like it so much. The only thing is if I could test it. But the thing is, testing it is very loud, and it's too loud, I think, for anybody. So if you are going to listen to this video, I suggest you turn your volumes down, because say for heaven's sake, if you had your volume on high and this was going off, it is louder than 85 decibels, by the way. It's a lot louder than that, honestly. It's louder than that. So yeah, that is the horn, that's the speaker, and basically what we're going to do is I'll test it for you, so you know how it sounds like. I think most people know what it sounds like anyway. But wait, hold on a second. I need to my earplugs to stop me from hearing that. It's so blooming loud. Yeah. Anything. You put it like this. It's very it's very loud. So turn your volume down immediately before I test this smoke alarm. You have 30 seconds to turn your volumes down. Now, we're about to test it. If you did not have time to turn your volume down, then that means you were too slow. I hate to be mean, but that's what I mean by that. It'd be too slow, basically. So yeah, that's about it. Ow. That makes my ears water too much. So does that. Are you about to listen to what it sounds like? Good. I hope you are. I think most of you know what it sounds like by now. But for those of you who do not know how it sounds, it's quite hard to explain, but you should know what it is anyway. So, are you all ready to test? Good. Because you better be, because I'm about to test it anyway. I might cover up the horn so it isn't as loud, as long as I know that's the horn. But anyway, 3, 2, 1. Are you all ready? Great. So let's go. Go off. Just ready?
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
It's loud again. That's about it then. That's it for the test. That's how it sounds like. I did cover up the horn, as you see, because it is extremely loud. It is. It's like about 100 decibels. Same as what those Apollo XP95 sounders are. They are the same as that, pretty much. In the next video, also in a little while, next week, I'll do a test of it. Then we'll be Smuggle on Test 5, we'll Smuggle on Test 3, but this is Smuggle on Test 3, isn't it? I'll upload the video by now. You should have done it by now, even though I haven't yet. So I'll do this one on Test 4, this one on Test 5, 6. Once I get all the others upgraded, I've about 10 Smuggle on tests so far. So yeah, I think that's about it. So before I finish, I will show you what it looks like this. So yeah, thanks for watching.